Nung ibinigay ni Michael po sa akin ang libro para basahin, sabi ko, siguro, ito yung mga nababasa ko tungkol sa yung exhortation to be good, yung, alam niyo yung mga payo, yung mga kwento na pampa-inspire, pampa-empower. Hindi naman ako nagkamali. Marami naman ho talaga mga kwento na gano'n ang matatagpuan ko dito sa Laugh with God Today.
May ginagawa ang Panginoon na magaan para madali nating unawain, intindihin, madaling mabasa, at madaling maalala. Yan, puro madadali. Through Brother Michael, meron siyang ginawang libro. Ito po, Laugh with God Today. Ito siya, si Brother Michael. Di ba mukhang kengkoy din?
When I got hold of the book, I realized I was talking to God. And not just talking to God, but I was laughing. Sabi ko nga, pwede palang ganun.
Laugh with God today, mga kapatid. Don't take yourself too seriously. Pag masyado kang serious, sige, I see you ka. I see you in heaven. In the meantime, mga kapatid, ito po ang importante. Kung wala kang humor, baka magkaroon ka ng tumor. Ito, laugh with your God. Every day.
And there were points that I realized, I was reading a book, and some moments also that I felt I was praying. And there were also some points when I started to challenge, you know, what the book was, some stories in the book were telling me. So, naging aktibong pag-uusap ang nangyari. May mga panahon na naalala ko yung mga maraming bagay na napagdaanan ko doon sa munting bayan namin sa Samar, base sa mga naisulat nga ni Mike. So, it was a spirited conversation that happened.
Michelangelo is a very dear friend of mine, and since the time I met him, my life has totally changed. He turned my world upside down. He introduced me to a God who is very funny and laughs with me at all my shortcomings and all my stupid mistakes. And because I do have a laughing God, I learned to laugh at myself. And because laughter can heal, I learned to forgive myself and forgive others as well.
Ang significance ng librong ito ay it doesn't try hard. It doesn't try hard. It doesn't try hard to be easy. It doesn't pander. It doesn't condescend. Hindi to klase ng libro na nagsasabing, uy, dinalian ko ang pagsulat nito kasi para maunawaan ako ng mas maraming tao. Hindi. Normal, natural, hindi siya nagkunwaring ano paman. The book contains stories that are real. The book contains testimonials which are real. Ako ang keyword dito, truthful. Kaya pag nagsasabi ka kasi ng totoo, at pag nagkukwento ka ng isang bagay na totoo, at alam mo kung sino ang kinakausap mo, mas madali kang maintindihan. Significance, sumulat ka ng libro na merong merkado, merong publiko na makakaunawa, at may publiko na nag-aantay. It's a matter of, I think, letting people know that there is this book somewhere out there. And if you are a parent, if you're a mother or a father, tell your child about it. It's a nice book. It's fun. But at the same time, without you knowing it, it has the power to nurture. It has the power to nurture. It has the power to make you smile. Ako yun ang gusto ko eh. Pag kunikwentuhan ako, ang take out ko pag naghiwalay kami noong taong kakwentuhan ko ay ngiti. Mahalaga sa akin yun kasi yung pinag-uusapan namin, mas naalala ko. So, if you're talking about significance, I'm sorry to use the word, but this book simply makes God relevant without even trying.
May mga late people tayo, preachers, katulad ni Brother Mike, mahusay pong ibaba ang mabuting balita. Parang manamnam natin ang kagalakan na nais ng Diyos ipagkaloob sa atin sa pamamagitan ng mabuting balita.
If my best friend is watching me now as I talk, I'd like you to read this. Parang gusto kong basahin ito ng mga kaibigan ko. Gusto kong basahin ito ng mga taong kakilala ko para may mapag-usapan kami, para may mapagkwentuhan kami. Ang pinakagusto ko dito sa librong ito ay hindi ako nagmumukhang makasalanan. This is coming straight from my heart.
Dito po, kung kayo ay depressed, sasaya po kayo. At kung kayo ay masaya, sasaya po lalo kayo.
Parang the story sounded familiar because in a different milieu, in a different time, I knew I went through it.
I really believe that God is a happy God because He invented joy. He was the one who invented laughter. And that's why I am very happy to share with you this book by Michelangelo Lubrin. He's a friend of mine. He's a terrific, terrific communicator. And so this book, Laugh with God Today, I think will just give you more joy. You're going to be laughing at every page. And then you will get a glimpse that pwede pala maging masaya at malapit sa Panginoon. In fact, you will realize that God is a happy God through this book. And it will change your spiritual life, your perspective. You will have a more positive outlook on life, which is very, very important for success. Very important for achieving things in life. Not to be too serious, but to look at the funny side of life. And then to see that, yes, God wants you to be happy. So get this book.
Kaya kahit ang nanay, sabi ko sa kanya, Nay, pag nagkaroon ka ng oras, basahin mo ito para may mapagkwentuhan tayo. Ang nanay kasi mahilig makipagdebate. Ang nanay kasi hindi basta-basta nang naniniwala. Pag may nababasa yan, sinasabi niya, ano kung ganito? She likes very spirited discussions.
Laugh with God.
I started reading it. Tapos, I started laughing. And that was a good sign. Dahil alam kong natuwa ako, nag-enjoy ako, at para lang nakipagkwentuhan ako, para lang nakipag-usap ako, at parang may kaharap akong nagkukwento sa akin ng iba't ibang mga kwento, at tawa lang ako ng tawa.
Laugh with God Today.
Parang mas lalong tumitibay yung aking pakiramdam at tumitibay yung aking paniniwala na mabuti, mabait, at funny ang aking Diyos. So yun, ang aking kwento at ang Laugh with God Today.
Laugh with God Today.
Maraming salamat, Michael, sa iyong libro. Maraming salamat. Una, sa pagkakataon na ibinigay mo para ako'y magbigay ng komentaryo pagkatapos ko basahin ang libro dahil yan ay isa ding paraan kung paano tayo makaka-reach out sa mas maraming tao. Michael, for that opportunity, thank you.
Laugh with God Today.
Ang ginawa ni Michael sa atin ay connecting us to each other and to our God. Michael, salamat sa una yun, sa pagkakataon na ako'y ginawa mong bahagi ng librong ito. Pangalawa, salamat sa enerhiya, salamat sa iyong vision, salamat sa iyong mga kwento. Salamat for making us laugh. Salamat for making me realize that I like the affirmation. I like the affirmation that my God is kind. My God is accessible. My God is forgiving. My God is funny. Thank you for telling me this again because I know it was and it is in my heart that my God is inclusive. Diba? I mean, hindi siya mapanghusga na Diyos. Gusto ko yung mga ibang kwento dun sa libro kasi minsan tawa ko ng tawa na parang naalala ko ang lola ko, naalala ko ang nanay ko, naalala ko yung kabataan ko, naalala ko yung days ko sa seminaryo. Ang dami. And at the end of the day, I realized that Mike gave me an opportunity to pray. Mike gave me an opportunity to be better, Do you call it inspiring? Do you call it empowering? Whatever it is, at the end of the exercise, at the end of the book, I am better. At the end of the story, parang yung pakiramdam kong mas gumanda ang relasyon ko sa Diyos. And if that is the case, then I have a better relationship with people. I think I have a better view of others.
Si Brother Michael, best friend ko po ito. Napakagaling na speaker, napakagaling na kaibigan, mabait na kaibigan, at magiging kaibigan nyo rin. At oras na nabasa po ninyo ang librong ito, I'm sure, hahanap-hanapin nyo si Brother Michael. At ang feeling po ninyo, kaibigan nyo na, best friend nyo na rin si Brother Michael, sapagkat napakamasayahing tao. At ang isipin natin, ginamit talaga ng Panginoon sa misyon na ito. Kaya mga kaibigan, marami pa pong dadating na mga series of books na Laugh with God Today. Ito, pasimula pa lang ito, marami pa darating.
So this book is about what? Laughing with God. It is about praying. But most important of all, this is about loving God and loving others. The easiest way, laughing.
Isa po ako na sumusuporta sa ginawang ito ni Brother Michael. Talagang siya po ay nag-spend ng kanyang time, effort, halos hindi na natutulog para lamang magawa po, makarating sa ating lahat dito sa buong Pilipinas or buong mundo. Mga kaibigan po natin, mga kamag-anak natin abroad. This is a very good Christmas gift sa ating mga pamilya, sa ating mga kaibigan sa abroad. Napakamura lang. Matatawa na sila, may matututunan pa, mailalapit pa natin sila sa Diyos. Thank you. Love you.
Pero hindi ko po inaasahan na, kasi hindi ako marunong shortcut. When I say I want to read a book, binabasa ko talaga mula umpisa hanggang dulo. And that's what I did with the book. So yung expectation ko, to be very honest, hindi ko inaasahan that I would be crazy about a book or it would ball me, over the other book that I was reading. This is an honest story. Mga nanay, mga tatay, mga bagets, sambayanan, mga kaibigan, hindi ko lamang po sasabihin, tara, usap tayo. Abay, ngayon, dadagdagan ko na po ng kaibigan, kumuha ho kayo ng kopya ng librong ito, Laugh with God Today. Kagalakang nagbibigay buhay, unang ihip, ni Michelangelo Levine. Get a copy of this book. Get a copy of this book. You will find your story. You will find yourself somewhere in this book. Believe me.
To laugh with God today.